Yes, Leroy, you're back. You're back for the New York session. The sound's working okay. We're on Instagram as well, but I'm just don't know how to push out my Instagram live so we could get loads of people joining it. But TikTok just smashing it all the time, and YouTube is slowly fucking picks up momentum and then drops off again. So yeah, this area here is a massive. Just close this off. Support area. The price tapped in this area a few times before. Is doing something. Let's see what it's gonna do now. It may be a liquidity sweep and then continue pushing up, or we just completely break past it. Let's just wait and see what price is doing. Lol cakes, yes, lol cakes. 1 second, guys. I think my chat thing's a bit messed up. For 1 second. Here we are. That should be better. Yes. Nice intro, bro. Thank you. Thank you. I was working on that. Did you see? It looks a bit special. Yo, what's happening, everyone? All right. Got quite a few people on already. Oh, yes. Numbers are pumping up. Excellent, guys. Excellent. So, I think it was Richie or someone who was on here earlier. We marked out this 30-minute fair value gap and said price is going to shoot down from that area here. Here it is. Lanco longs, yes we are, but you got to look at the higher time frame. We have completely pushed down and retraced, and now it's causing some sort of reaction from this area here. But overall the market is bullish, but I'm never married to a bias because I just want to get a small piece of the cake, whether it's going up or down. I just want to catch that nice trade, you see. Hi, bro. Shaz Wallace, hi. How you doing? Yeah, you don't want to accidentally just enter into a trade. Fuck yourself up. For me, this would have been the trade of the day. Let's just mark it out. It's this red area here where we said there's a fair value gap at the top. And then this was the trade we were looking at. Here you go. So that was a nice 125. Didn't even put it here. It's tapped into it. It's a 125 that. I caught those shorts like I said it would when we hit that 1 hour FVG. Rick Royale, it was you, not Richie. It was Rick Royale. Rick Royale did say we did mark out. Yes, Rick Royale, we did. You said the 1 hour FVG. I shrunk it down to the 30-minute time frame. So I was like, here. But the next question is, I want to figure out if Yaz went and hit some sort of take profit, or did he get stopped out before price pushed up into his direction? Because he would have hit take profit, but I don't know if he was trading his stop loss. But price did go against him. So I want to know, did he get stopped out here, or did it price reverse and hit his take profit before it pushed down? Because we did say from this area here around the 600, price is going to start reversing. And we were in that FVG. So let's have a look what price is doing. There's not currently nothing really major. Oh, shit. One second, guys. 1 second. There's been an emergency exit. Where's the MNQ? Cancel that. Yes, here it is. We are back. We are back. Nothing to be afraid of, guys. We are back. Remember, we could just double click this. The charts come back. So yeah, here we are. That was a 30-minute, but now I'm going to go back to the 1 minute. I want to see what's happening on the 1 minute. Guys, I'll be with you in 1 second if anyone's chatting. 1 second, guys. This was the entry that I was looking at. fucking problem is, where is it? Oh, here it is. MNK, this is where we are. There's a chart. It didn't go nowhere. If this was small 1 hour inverse, I'm gonna close my long. Guys, I'm just following market structure. What you need to do is make sure you follow your own game plan. Just don't copy me. Just follow your own game plan. So you know what you're doing. You know your goal and you know your game plan. You know your entry and exit points. Follow your rules. Don't follow my rules. Follow your own rules. I'm just live trading. So if you can get some ideas from me, that'd be excellent. If not, that's fine as well. Tissa, man, this is amazing entry. So ready. Lanko, no, not copying you. No, I know what you mean, Lanko. I'm just telling everybody, like, I don't sell signals. I'm just trading live. So everybody should be following their own rules and own game plan. I'm saying there's a 1 hour bullish FVG and I'm a close long if it inverses. Thank you very much for following, user. Thank you very much. Okay, I get you, Lanko. I get you. Let's have a look at your 1 hour gap. Thank you very much. So on the downside, are you looking at this 1 hour gap here to get inversed? Tissa, what's your plan? No plan yet. I've just come on, so I'm just trying to figure out what the charts are doing. We have had a reaction from this fair value gap here already, and this was a massive push down. So there could be some sort of reaction from here and a continuation to the downside. But really, we're just going sideways. If you shrink it down, look properly, we're just going sideways. Market's not really doing anything special right now. So even if I don't get into a trade, I'm happy. If I get into a trade and I catch a nice one, I'm super happy. Right, there's 25 of us right now. Wow. But I'm long, so if it doesn't inverse, I won't close. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, if it don't inverse, don't close. Because overall, we are bullish, but I never get married to a bias because I'm just following market structure. I can catch a trade going up and down depending on which way it's going on the higher time frame and how I catch the sniper entry on the lower time frame. So that's how I trade. So I don't need to get the full move. I just need to get the small piece of the pie. So even if that gives me my $500, $600, $700, I'm fine. Stormzy, thank you very much for following. Wow, 44 people already. TikTok is pushing this hard. Good one, TikTok. Keep pushing, motherfuckers. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, Farhan. Thank you very much, user, for following. Thank you. Stormzy, you're welcome, bro. Stormzy, how long you been trading, brother? Shit, man. My windows are closed. I've got my fan on nicely, but hay fever's still creeping in inside my house somehow. Eyes still itchy, man. Badly. Ooh, okay. Let's see what's happening here then. Is it easy? What's easy, bro? What's easy? Easy. Dum. Right. Let's get this tool out here. And then we're gonna dock it to the right. Boom. That's the tool we need. Boom. Now we are ready, guys. How can you teach me? Bro, there's so much free information on YouTube, you know, like literally like everything you want to learn is all on YouTube. You just got to ask it the right questions. You just got to ask, is this yeah, basically everything you want to learn, you should just put it into YouTube. Ask it the right questions. What kind of trader you are, what type of lifestyle you have, how long you want to be sitting on the charts. Are you a scalper? Do you want to be in and out fast of the trades, or do you want to You want to intraday trade. You don't mind sitting on it for a while, just analyzing. You want to swing trade. So you want to be in and out of trades. Hold them for a couple of days to a few weeks. And then you want to go on the education part. Then there's so many different styles of trading. They all work. They all work. You just got to learn one that suits you. Damn, those were nice longs, but I'm already done till New York. Okay. Rick Royale, yeah. Rick Royale, are you scalping or are you taking, are you holding trades? Intraday trading type. That's good. TikTok lives have started pushing my lives out a lot more, a lot better than before now. Absolutely brilliant. Come on, guys. 266 eyes on us. Excellent. Rick Royale. No, I only go for 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Usually one trade a session. Oh, wicked. So you catch your absolutely A+ of a trade, a banger, and then in and out, one trade, one session. See, that's what you call proper trading. You get me? Like, you can catch 1 to 2 entries a session. Like, but one is good. But if you're scalping, then obviously you're going to be catching a lot more. But properly, you can be catching nice 1 to 2 trades a day. New trading dad. I'm waiting for bullish candle close above my 20 EMA. Oh, okay, you're doing EMA crossover. Also above my demand zone breaker structure. Then I'm in. Oh, okay. Nice. Rick Royal, I would lose my mind taking multiple scalps all day. Yeah, I'd lose my fucking mind, man. I'd lose my shit altogether. I hate it. You know, I started off like that when I first started trading. I got a broker, yeah, and I put 20 million pound on the broker on a demo account. And then I flipped it in 1 second, man. And this trade that I put on was literally one tick. So if it goes against me, I'll lose 1 million. And if it goes with me, I'll get another, I'll make 1 million. So I did it to about 10 million or more than that. And then I just blew all of it on the demo. And then I did it again on a demo. And I kept doing that on a demo account. And I thought, yes, I knew how to trade. And I thought, do you know all these little tricks you try? But people have already tried them. People have tried hedging. People have tried putting one trade on upwards and one trade on downwards. It just never works. You might get a lucky one, but it just never works. So I tried everything before I actually started learning how to trade properly. And I thought, I gave up afterwards. When I thought I'm going to make money fast, it came to a point where I just gave up. I thought, you know what, fuck this. It's not working. That's why everybody fails in trading, because they try bullshit and it doesn't work. And then their ego gets hurt. But really, they didn't try the real way of trading, like just learning it properly. So yeah, guys, just learn trading properly and go for it. I've missed a fucking trade here, you know. Pissed me off. I was chilling watching Nemesis. They're the same producers of the series Power. So I got into it. It's an easy watch, guys. Yeah, I've done so many things too, but it all leads to the end goal if you keep going. Yeah, everything, every single fuck up, every single fucking mistake, every single bullshit that you do, all leads to learning properly how to trade. Yeah, I'd done signals. New trading dad, I'd done signals, but I wanted to trade myself. It's been hard, but I feel I'm ready now. Yes, you will be ready. Yeah, I'd done everything except for signals. I never actually went and bought signals. Never. I seen one of my cousins buying signals, and he was like acting like he knows how to trade and all the rest of it. And I was like, for fuck's sake, guy's just getting signals. He don't even know how to trade. He's got someone else selling him information. So not only that, he was paying that person a commission or like a fee, monthly fee, like $50 or whatever a month to give him signals. It might be more than that, I don't know, this is a guess. But he was also making him use his broker that he's recommended to him, and he was getting signals from that same guy. and using that same broker from that same guy. So every time he was placing a trade on that broker, win or lose, the signal seller was making commission on that trade. MTO, thank you very much for following. And the thing is, when you go and I tried signals and blew my Robin Hood account years ago. It's true, man. You fuck them up. The thing is, and then when you confront these people, like, why the fuck are you buying signals, or why are you trading? They don't. Why are you trading like that? Why are you buying? So why don't you learn to trade properly? They don't like it. It kind of like dents their ego because they already think they've mastered it. So it hurts their ego. Like Elizabeth here now is selling signals on gold, but she'll probably get one right if you put the trade on, and then you'll end up going up to her, DMing her and saying, oh, listen, you're selling signals. I made some profits with that trade that you told me about yesterday. Jay, thank you very much for following, Jay. And then what'll happen is, few sessions down the line, you'll start losing money and blowing your accounts. So never buy signals, guys. Now I've muted you, Elizabeth. Sorry, you're muted. Rick Royale, sheesh, those longs moving, yeah, man. Yeah. Let's see where it might have reacted from. Let's see what zone. Rick Royale. Lanko, I think you're in your position, ain't you, right now? Lanko's doing all right. It's just I just don't like when the markets moved like this. So this is the 15-minute time frame, and this is from the bottom of the Asian session all the way up. Price never retraced to a discounted area, but then just continued pushing up and then up. It came into this area, and I don't like that. So days like this, when I don't see my setup, I don't care whether I'm on live or I'm showing 100 people or I'm sitting here by myself. I'm not forcing the trade, and I'm not entering into that trade. Unless I've lost loads of money and I think, fuck it, I've only got like last few $100 left on my prop firm account before I blow it. I'm just gonna fucking port that bastard. I took the same short, that's why I followed. Which short did you take, bro? I don't sell signals, sorry, man. But yeah, which short? Did you take this short? The tighter your stop loss, the bigger the reward. So the more you risk, the better the reward. So this, like that, looks like a 1 to 11, but it could tap you out in one fucking tick, yeah? If you give it some breathing space, that turns your trade into a 1 to 5. And if you give it a little more breathing space, that turns your trade into a 1 to 4. So it's all about giving the trade some breathing space in your stop loss. As long as you're making profits, you're okay. But you don't want to make profits and then give them back to the market. That's not okay, guys. This can also be a fake out right now. This can also make you feel like it's reacting from this zone here, and price will continue dumping. But what happens is sometimes when it does shit like this, it's actually reversing and continuing back up. So right now, sit on your hands and be careful. If you catch the trade and it's your game plan and it's your setup, go for it. If it's not, then just sit on your hands, guys, and enjoy the music. Space stock Sidhu moving today. Okay. New trading day. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for my confirmation before doing anything. Something I've never done before. You should always kill Susik or something like that. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, new trading dad. Always wait for confirmation and confluences before taking trades. Yeah, so like context, location, and confirmation. Rick Royale, you're right. You need context, you need the location of that trade, and then you need confirmation. Blah, 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 blah. Freak, thank you very much for following. Yeah. Yeah, so you're saying something you never done before, but yeah, stick to rules. Once you start sticking to the rules and start following your game plan, then you start understanding that, okay, yeah, okay, I only need to take that one trade a day. If win or lose, no problem, or draw, break even, no problem. I come back tomorrow, and then you start building your win rate like that. You start figuring out, okay, how many trades am I losing out of 10? So if I lose 5 trades and I win 5 trades, oh, I'm still profitable. Then you think, okay, if my stop loss is always set at this kind of price and I lose 6 trades and I make 4 trades winners, yeah, but your winners are fucking, you let the winners run and then you cut your losers. If you got a 40% win rate, you're still fucking profitable trader. So that's how you got to figure it out. You got to figure it out from the win rate. If you like 60-40, you can be profitable. I don't know about 30-70, I don't know, but 60-40 you can be profitable. But it all depends on how you let your winners run and how you're cutting your losers. So yeah, you can be profitable. But 50-50, that's just fucking absolutely amazing. 80-20 would be the best. Lose 20% and win 80% of the time. Oh my god, imagine that. From next week, I'm going to start tracking my win rate. I think it's very high. But we'll have TradeZilla on there to track the win rate. Jay Kumar has joined. Jay Kumar, you're the only one that comes on the Instagram one page, because I've not advertised it. I don't follow people on that many people on Instagram. I don't really use it. The only thing I use on Instagram is I upload a video to TikTok, it uploads it to my YouTube shorts, and it uploads it to my Instagram. But I'm gonna start pushing my Instagram soon as well, and then I'm gonna start pushing X. So get it all onto X, Twitter, whatever. Lie, thank you very much for following, Lie. Then I'm gonna put it onto that on X, and then I'm gonna have 4 platforms running at the same time. And then we get a big enough audience, we'll start doing... Oh shit, Milo Futures on YouTube, I'm very sorry I missed your messages. I've got so many messages in different areas. I don't look. Milo Future Trades, how you doing? I'm doing fine, thank you. I'm doing good. What is your strategy? My strategy is top-down analysis, higher time frame to lower time frame. Get your confluences, drop down to 5, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, change your character, break a structure, find some more confluences, and then enter. What the... Listen, you got Arabic writing. I can't read your name, but you're selling signals, so we don't want you. You're gonna have to go. Thea! Thea! You gotta go. You gotta go. Depending on whatever strategy you're using, some people are gonna be buying in this area here. But it is still very risky. So you're going to be selling from up here. This was the fair value gap on the 30-minute and the 1-hour time frame. Here was the confluence. And here was the trade. You could have extended it, but sometimes just follow. If you're going to extend it, just trail your stop loss. If you're not, then just let the take profit hit. Either once the trade is in and it starts coming into your profits, then you just trail the stop loss down into break even like that, or trail the stop loss down between each candle. But you don't want to do each candle closure because the price taps you out too quickly. You still need to give it some breathing space. Jay Kumar, sweet bro. Have we got any news events today? I think there was one at 3 p.m, a speech. Let's have a look. Yaz, Yaz, no. Do you know, edged my TP2 points, then reversed and stop loss fucking... Wow. Oh, bro, I don't get what you said there. Did you... Do you know, because I was following your trade, but I just didn't know where you had put your stop loss. Did price come down, hit your stop loss, and then continue to fucking hitting your take profit? Because either it hit your stop loss or it got very close to your fucking stop loss. But price did go up and hit your take profit. Yeah, 3 o'clock, mate. Yeah, new trading dad, 3 p.m. news. Unless they just drop some random, wow, 40 people online, 542 eyes on us on TikTok. Absolutely amazing, guys. So everyone on TikTok right now, just hit the share button. So this can like reach out to many other people as well. Stop gatekeeping, guys. Hit the share button. Try not to teach your friends how to trade. Why are you doing that? Greedy bastards. Yes, it got close first time and then reversed, edged me by 2 to 3 points. When you say edged me, do you mean it stopped you out? It hit your stop loss, or edged like you were 2 to 3 points away from hitting, then reversed and hit my stop loss 375 down. Oh, $375 down. Edged my TP. Oh, so it didn't actually hit your TP. Bro, what the fuck? Were you managing your trade? Because as soon as, okay, basically what happened was, yeah, so as soon as, nah, bro, I was few points off, lol. So this is where you were then. So you were here. You were on 600 maybe then. You were looking for price to go a little bit higher maybe. Yes, bro. Leroy even said, look, you should have took it out. I feel for you. Doesn't matter. It happens. It happens. You just, okay, you let it play. What you should have probably done, because at that point, you were already up more than $700, yeah? So, if just say, look, let me just close this for now. So, this is possibly you could have do this, but I know your strategy is just let your trade run, yeah? But just say you would take in your entry around this area here. Just say your stop loss was here. Just say $400 because you said 375, close enough to $400. So just say your stop loss was there and your take profit. Fucking hell, bro. Maybe that's because of the price right now. How much profit were you? How much profit were you in? This is showing me like fucking $1,600. $10 contracts. Okay, oh, you want 10 contracts? I'm doing this on 20 contracts. So you were $990 up. Okay. Still, man, $990. It's okay. If that's part of your game plan and your strategy, it doesn't matter. You're only $375 down. You were $1,500 up yesterday. You could do another 3 or 4 days of $1,500. That's why I always say, guys, remember, cut your losers. Fuck the losers. Cut them. So if they go at 300, 375, that's fine. You could have taken your trade into break even so you didn't lose no money. So that would have been here like this. Yeah. And then you could have just trailed your stop loss. So you could have said, okay, there's this area here. Price has pushed up and rejection wick there. So you just went underneath there. You would have had $300 profit. Then you could have had like, went up there. And then you seen this big candle here. Should have just trailed below it. You would have been about $600-700 in profit. It's all right though, but that's trailing stop loss, isn't it? I like to protect my capital. Twizzy, what's up? Twizzy, how you doing, bro? Yes, it is what it is, bro. We'll look at New York Open, see what happens anyway. Yeah, you got the orb strategy for the New York Open anyway, so you can try that. Yaz, do you know about the 8 a.m. orb strategy that they use on New York? Maybe tomorrow's, I don't know. Jolts. Okay, maybe tomorrow's, I don't know. Okay. That's Jay. Not Jay, are you not going to trade today then? Not Spar is short looking good. I'll tell you in 1 second. I'm good. How about you? I'm good, Twizzy. Stos, do you recommend trading crypto? Yes, I recommend trading everything, bro. But always stick to a pair and master that one instrument, one symbol, one forex pair or whatever you're using. Is it short? Is short looking good by not Spar? 1 second, mate. Twizzy, did you take a trade yet? No, I didn't take a trade yet. No, I came on between 8:30 and 10 a.m. I left at 10 a.m. I've just come onto the charts again now, not long ago. I missed this trade. This is the trade I was looking for because this came into my hotspot red area. This was a fair value gap on the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame, so I knew we were going to get some sort of rejection from there, and I knew this was the fucking entry. I just was sitting away from my desk at that point here, and this would have been the exact fucking entry. 124, maybe a 125. I wouldn't have took it down this low, but probably would have just let the take profit hit. Yeah, just waiting for oil to bottom off and looking for the shorts, to be honest, in NQ or SPX. Okay. How high do you see us going? Bro, we're already at all-time highs. See, I told you guys just 2 minutes ago before I started talking gibberish, I told you a lot of people are going to be taking buys here. I did tell you. I called it. You should have took it. I do 8:30. Okay. No, Yaz, I mean, have you tried the 8 a.m. orb strategy on New York Open? So what they do, they mark out the 15-minute candle. Fashion Kill 08, thank you very much. You mark out the 15-minute orb. So open range breakout. You mark out the 15-minute candle at 8 a.m. Not London session. So that's about 1:30 p.m. Yeah, so 1:30 p.m. our time. You mark out the 15-minute candle. So that's 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. I don't know. Fuck knows. 1 p.m. here, and it's 8 a.m. is 1 p.m. GMT time, 8 a.m. in Eastern Standard Time. They mark out that 15-minute candle, drag the bar across, and they wait for the 9:30 a.m. to see what it does in that range. That's an open range breakout as well, but they call it the 8 a.m. open range breakout. Stan, how is Nasdaq today? Are you taking it, bro? I could have taken this one. I was just talking. I should have, but it's a risky one. And this one, I've just come in late. So I've just come in literally right now. Helen Rose, exactly how I'm trading this liquidity zone. My full plan is on my bio. Okay, very good. If someone wants a plan, contact Helen Rose. It's probably a man anyway, selling his something. Faye, oh my God, finally someone who trades NQ. Faye, there's many of us trading NQ. It's not just me. Thank you very much, Faye, for following. Everybody's trading NQ, Faye. You've probably just seen me live doing it right now. Twizzy, maybe 31k today. Okay. For you. On your prop firm. What prop firm are you trading, Twizzy? Faye, everyone trades gold. Yes, everyone does trade gold. A lot of people trade gold. The reason this wasn't a trade for me, I knew, okay, it's gone up. And I told everyone that it's going to be, it looks like it's pushed down from here, but it's not. It's going to actually go up. But the reason I didn't take this trade is because if you go on to the higher time frames, thank you very much for following Hugo10. Thank you very much. The only reason I didn't take that trade is, so if you go on to the 30-minute time frame, price has done this. Price has done that. It's pushed up. And we're still chopping around in a premium area. So if you drop down the lower time frame, if you are bullish, you would want price to go into a discount area before you buy. So somewhere around here or just below the 50%. So this is where you would be taking your buys from. Right now, price is reacting from this area here. Possibly this area. Possibly, I'm not saying it is because we're at all-time highs and no one knows what happens at all-time highs. Possibly this area here is reacting to this 30-minute or 1 hour fair value gap. So we don't actually really know what price is doing right now. It could just be a fake out before New York Open. So yeah, be very careful, guys, when you're trading. Nah, everyone I know trades gold. Yeah, that's true. On TT trades gold usually. Okay. NQ, well, easier. NQ price action has been nice. I'm not going to lie. It has been moving good. Gold I've seen very choppy at London sessions nowadays. I have multiple props. Twizzy. Yeah. Not SPAR. so short I look good. I'm not saying I can't give you financial advice, bro, because if you lose money on your short, then you're gonna come out to fucking sue me as well. So I can't give you financial advice. But what I can do is tell you, like, okay, there are gonna be people buying from this area here, which I did tell you. So if that was like that and you was taking a buy there and you wasn't using 20 contracts, just say you was using 10, so that's one mini, your stop loss for $300 would have been roughly around about, that's 26, okay, $300 there, and you take profit there, that still would have been about $800. So even if you did it about there, that would have been about $700. Yeah, man, that's how you do it, guys. IBM, not SPA. SPA. I'm sorry, but I can't give you financial advice, bro. I got to protect myself as well, because trading's all good saying, yeah, I can show you how to trade, get my signals, blah blah blah, but signal sellers can fuck you up, and they get, a lot of them get sued as well, and that's what a lot of people don't talk about, that shit. That's why you see them disappear so quickly, and then you can't track them down. So guys, never buy signals. I caught the same entry based off oil. Did you? 1 second, Jay. Did you, Jay, did you catch a sell or did you catch a buy on oil? I don't like the way oil's moving. It's very choppy. Look at that. It's just, it's very choppy, and there's so many gaps in between the candles. Yeah, I don't like it. Sometimes gold moves like that as well. Wow, 40 people. Come on, guys. Drop it in the comment section. Who's trading live with us right now? Who's actually trading? And remember, guys, follow your own game plan. Don't follow what I'm doing. I'm just here trading live and sharing some of my knowledge with you guys. But I'm not selling signals. So make sure you only trade your game plan. So when price comes into your point of interest and your area and you know to execute, you make sure you execute on that trade. Don't follow me what I'm doing, and don't go get put off your trade by my analysis, because your analysis might be telling you something else. Everybody has their own ways of reading the market. I'm not always 100% right, and I listen to other people online sometimes. I don't take my trades and I realize that they was fucking wrong and I was right. So vice versa, always take your own trades when you get your own game plan plays out. New trading dad, I'm charting but not trading. Yeah, I'm charting right now as well. Mahad, hi all, how you doing, Mahad? Mahad is a gold trader. Here you go, Faye. Mahad is turned up. He's a gold trader. I caught low of day. Is LOD mean low of day? Mahad, I'm fine. Yes, yes. So did you catch the low of day from the London session, or did you catch the low of day from the Asian session? Because Asian session kind of double bottomed here, but it did create equal lows. Price pushed up, broke structure to the upside. There was no entry for me, no matter what. There's no entry for me. Recently, price has been shooting up and not retracing into premium or discounted areas. See, this is what happens. Like, some days your game plan won't work out, but that doesn't mean you change your strategy. Stick to your strategy. It just means you don't trade on the days that your fucking trade doesn't play out. But more often than not, every single day, you should possibly find a trade that you can enter into. Not SPA too. Why are you so kind? I'm not. I'm a fucking evil bastard. I'm just trying to make you blow your accounts. I'm giving you wrong information. I work for TradingView and some brokers. I fuck people up for a living. I make you lose your monies. My heart is getting scared. My like, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Yeah, man. Sell on NQ due to strength in oil. Only one lot. Okay. Jay's got a different style of trading as well. I like it because he correlates pairs, which is wicked. I don't do that myself, but yeah, he's cool. And then he's very strong with fundamentals as well, which is another good trait to have. Just saw some people before Twizzy who exactly did that. Don't listen to this guy, Hunter Clap. Yes, Hunter, we don't listen to me, listen to you. We need to listen to you, Hunter. Come on, tell us some information, bro. My strategy doesn't want to break the 1 hour FVG from 8 p.m. yesterday. Yeah, if your strategy's not playing out, just sit on your hands. I wouldn't take the trade. Wow! Oh, I got some Jat saying he's followed me. Jat, thank you very much for following. NY will take care of it eventually. Yeah. New York session takes care of everything. It either breaks your support and resistance areas, or it gives you break and retests. And in the first 2 hours, if you drop down your contract sizes, you can actually catch some very nice trades. Wow, we got 54 people. Hunter Clap, you just told everyone not to listen to me, but you're sitting here fucking all this time listening to me. What's wrong with you, brother? Hunter Clap, how long have you been trading, bro? New trading, Dad. The news will mess things up at 3 p.m. Yeah, that's right. That's why I don't trade right into 3 p.m. That's why 12 o'clock I come on for a bit and then I'm out. But them 3 p.m. newses and all that shit, red folder ones, I don't trade around them or anywhere near them. They piss me off. Fundamental traders love it. They're like, fuck this, we're trading the news event. Damn, TikTok's really been pushing the live out all day today. We got 908 eyes on us. Well done, guys. Stan, are you trading right now? Hunter Clap, what are you actually hunting? Twizzy! Hunter! Is he still with us? Hunter Clap? Yo, Hunter Clap's still with us. Hunter Clap wants to learn trading. Jay, come on, are you at work right now? Haha, back in the day, CPI was just money pointing on shorts. Money printing on shorts. Like 2022 to 2023, I think. Yeah. I was in the charts at the end of 2023. I knew about trading. I actually just didn't get onto the charts and start trading because I was in India in 2020 for the whole lockdown and COVID. Then I got back, then my son was born, and then I was in a full-time job because I had got made redundant. Then I got diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. So I was in like a fucked up kind of, that was like a little shitty era for me. But it kept pushing me towards trading. Like, do something for yourself. Just do something different. And then we finally got here. The end of 2023, January 2024, I started properly learning. Hunter Clap, what are you actually hunting? Hunter doesn't want to talk right now. Hunter, man, this is a friendly community. You can talk, man. We're not gonna diss you too bad. Only a little bit. Space stock Sidhu. What is this space stock Sidhu? Jay, you heard of this space stock SIDU? Can you oil up? Yes, I can put oil up. Here you go with the oiling charts. I tell you, the perfect entry if I was to take one on oil today would have been here, but my trade didn't play out. Can you oil up? Oh my god, not Spar, you dirty little bugger, you. Look, yeah, guys. This is for trading only. It's not for like little pussy holes, man. Like you. Just learn to trade, man. Make some money. Why you want to sleep be watching me oil myself up on fucking TikTok? Are you crazy, bro? You know, yeah. So this would have been my trade, yeah. It would have been here. Do you know? Funny thing is, yeah. Not Spot said earlier on, why do you have patience? Why don't you get angry? It's like, mate, I don't want to get angry. Or not on my live. I don't want to fuck my live up just for jokes. You get me? Here, look. So this would have been my perfect trade on oil. So price pushed up, pushed down. It couldn't break structure to the downside. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it couldn't break structure to the downside. Then it pushed up, but it couldn't break structure to the upside. And then price pushed down again. And it couldn't break structure to the downside again. Well, it did a little bit, but not fully like I wanted. But then price pushed up, changing character completely. So now we were bullish. I wanted price to come here. Well, at least into a 50% area, which would have been roughly around about here. So guys, you can start catching those areas. Like I'm saying, like 50% areas, 71.8, 67.8, stuff like that. But look, if I just get the fib tool out, put price here, look, I just marked that out and you can start seeing it with your eye. Before I put the fib tool there, I already knew that this was a 50% area. Look, it's marked out. So this area would have been a nice fucking discount area for you to buy on oil. So, but I would have liked it either on the 50, maybe here, but this area here, just below 61.8, that would have been the perfect juicy area. But this was nice. I would have entered here anyway if I seen price coming that low on oil. And then after that, it just shot up. So you can take your, you could have took an entry here like this, around the 50%. So let's put this on about 15 micros. So yeah, you could have risked about $225 there in the morning, and that would have been what, $1,400-$1,500, depending on how much you risk. That's all in the morning, guys. But what we needed price to come down just a little bit lower, but price shot off without us. So that means when price shoots off without you, just sit on your hands, don't trade. No bullshit. Don't trade, because then you'll end up force trading and then stopping yourself out. Twizzy, Danny, you should try second charts. Twizzy, brother, what do you mean by second charts? Do you trade as well? I don't think Not Spar's trading, you know. I think Not Spar's doing some weird stuff online. Leroy, Danny, stop, bro. I will piss my pants, man. Danny, the comedian trader. Yeah, you gotta have a laugh while you're trading, man. You can't keep crying, innit, about all the losses and that. Everyone's gonna get losses. Trading, whether you're the best trader in the world or whatever fucking kind of trader you are, you're always gonna lose money. Every single other day you will take a losing trade. The aim of the game is just try catch them fucking winners. New trading dad, how long you on for, bro? Need to go get food ready for New York Open. Bro, you get food. Simon, thank you very much for following, Simon. New trading dad, you go get your food, man. I don't know how long I'm going to be on, brother. I'm going to probably be on for about another half an hour, 40 minutes. But I won't be on at New York session. I'm not trading till that time. Wednesday and Thursday in the office, that's when the big red folders drop. Probably good I'm not at my desk and trying to trade them. Tell me about it, Jay. That happens, man. Nope, Diddy. I know, fucking this guy trying to do some Diddy shit on me. Oh, wait, fuck this guy. I need to block him right now. Where is he? Yo. What was his name again? Do you know what I've noticed the past couple of days? I have started to get a couple of people that are trying to like throw me off. Like earlier on, the guy with the knee something name, he came on and then TikTok tried to just block my whole account. But yeah, people try throwing you off. But you just got to have a laugh with them and a joke. And then after you have a laugh and joke, just block them. Because you want to carry on trading. New Trading Dad, sweet man. Have a good one. And good luck to you. Trading Dad, good luck. And happy trading later on, man. Enjoy yourself. Don't oversize, over leverage, blow your accounts, force trade, revenge trade. None of that bullshit, yeah? Just stick to your rules. Leroy, New Trading Dad. See ya. Twizzy, New Trading Dad. Salute. There's no clean price action, bro. No clean. Look at the fucking... Look at the 1 hour. This has been the 1 hour London session today. Just this little boxed out area here, yeah? Look at the 1 hour London session yesterday. The 1 hour candle, sorry. Look at the 1 hour candles yesterday. Look at the 1 hour candles the day before that. And look at the 1 hour candles the day before that. Look where the market's moving, yeah? That's when you want to trade. That's when you want to catch trade. When you see market with momentum. Do not fucking enter a trade if there's no momentum in the markets. Then that's just bullshit. And look at it today. It's just this little boxed off area here. That's when you know price is doing something shady. So you have to just be very careful. As the Pratik going up. Possibly, bro. It can be going up. I wouldn't take the entry myself. But it possibly can be. And if it does go up without me, so be it. I'll just have to sit out and not take a trade. Twizzy, we are all going to full put CPI and FOMC, right? Holding our hands tight, hoping TP hits. Yes, we're all going to fucking full put. All 1,065 of us. My full put days are gone, bro. Seriously. I don't like it. I can't do it. Is that all this week, guys? What's the news events this week? Because nothing's happening on the charts. I know, Twizzy, you're just kidding. I know you're one of those good traders. You're a good trader. You know what you're doing. But there are really, really good traders that just fucking full put. Do you know what I might start doing, actually? But on the... I won't be able to. Prop firms won't let me full put. They'll just blow my account off. And they won't let you trade red folder news events. So, yeah, prop firms I can't do it. If I got a personal account, then I don't want to risk it. So, today, 3 p.m. red folder. 155, you got the red book. So, you got to be careful with that. I know it's only yellow folder, but it still gives momentum in the market sometimes. So that's the only red area, grey area today. Tomorrow we have 10 a.m, 9:50, and then this is random. That's not been put out yet. Tomorrow we've got 1:15 employment change. Definitely going to have some momentum in the markets there. 3 p.m. red folder news again. This is why the markets are moving a bit shitty, guys. We can actually start having some sort of sell-offs as well soon, you know. We may start getting some sell-offs in a bit. And on Wednesday... not giving me the full news thing for Wednesday. I need to extend it on here. 1 second. Oh, that's how you do it. You do it on this side like that. Okay. Yeah, Wednesday we've got 1:30. 1:15 employment change. We already looked at that. On Thursday we've got nothing. 4:40 p.m. some speech. And then Friday, average hourly earning. Yeah, Friday's gonna be a big one for news events. Okay. So today's just really 3 p.m. Let's have a look at the lower time frame. Let's see what's been happening. Price come back into that same area here. Exact same area as before. Price come into that same area again. It's selling off. It's not clean price action. Leroy, what do you mean? Twizzy says. Twizzy says, what do you mean? Leroy, I'm not big player man, I'm just a middleman. Depending how this week goes, if this week goes really well, I'll probably do a giveaway next week. If this week goes really well in trading and followers, I'll do some sort of giveaway next week. JB, oh Jay, you've come onto TikTok, yeah? Sell gold, mucked off. No, I don't want to. We can have a look at gold though. Oh, I see what you're trying to sell. But yeah, nah, that's not my type of entry. Forex gold, you gotta go. We don't do signals. You're blocked. Yeah, bro. Forex gold pro. There's no action, so numbers have dropped. There's no action, so numbers have dropped on here. They're going up as well. They keep going down, going up. We're back at 22 again now. What do you mean? What do you mainly trade? I trade NASDAQ mainly, most of the time, nearly every day. What do you trade, Macduff? Oh, just trying to learn. Yeah, that's good, man. You should join us. We trade live every single day, 8:30 a.m. GMT London session. And then we're back on again at 12 p.m. GMT. Macduff, thank you very much for following. And then we're on again around about this time for an hour or two. Lil Wildlife, what broker is best if I'm in the US and want to trade CFDs? If you're in the US and you want to trade CFDs, the best thing to do, if you're looking for a regulated broker where you know your funds are going to be safe, if you're looking for an offshore broker, you can find an offshore broker anywhere. Yeah, you can. Offshore broker means you can put more money into that account. You get higher leverage, so you can make more returns on your trades. You can have 1 to 500 leverage. You can even have 1 to 1,000 on some. But that's for offshores. But then if you make a lot of money in there, or if the offshore broker gets shut down, then sometimes you will lose your money. So if you want a regulated broker, if you go on to let me just log out of here. So if you want a regulated broker, so on TradingView, if you just click at the right hand side at the top, let me just show you. So on TradingView, if you click at the right hand side, I don't think you're going to be able to see that. 1 second. Yeah, so on the right hand side of TradingView, this is if you don't want to do prop firms and you want just a broker. On the right hand side, if you click on trade, yeah, you'll get a box pop up, and every single broker in this list will be for you in your country, depending on where you are. These are mainly for us in the UK, but yours will come up for America as well. But a lot of these American, like AMP and few others, Trade-of-8, maybe IC Markets, maybe Black Bull as well. Black Bull and IC Markets, they give you high leverage, 1 to 500. Lil Wildlife, thanks, bro. No problem. Lil Wildlife, are you going to be looking to put a lot of money into the broker? Or are you just doing it so that you're just putting small funds in and just trading free, like, so you don't have any rules like prop firms? $200. You're going to put $200 in a prop firm? I mean, not in a prop firm, in a broker. Interactive Brokers, says Twizzy. If you're just going to put, this is what I say, guys. If you know how to trade already, if you're going to put in $200 in a broker, you've got more of a chance of making more money on a prop firm. Yeah, I'm starting small and building up. Okay, you're just going to build a small account. Yeah, that's fine. You can do that. But I still think you'd get more returns on a prop firm. Probably get 2 prop firms for $200. Copy trade them. And then build up a big enough buffer and put it into your broker. That's what a lot of people do. 200, go to prop firm. Yes, Leroy, that's what I'm saying. But then the only problem is, there's 2 problems actually. Is either you know how to trade, or you don't know how to trade. And if you don't know how to trade, it's pointless putting it in a broker and a prop firm, because both ways you will lose. See, look, if you're new to that part, I wouldn't put any money in anything then. I would get... Lil Wildlife, do you actually know how to trade? It would be nice if something like that worked out. Something like that worked out. Wouldn't that just be juicy? That would be juicy, wouldn't it? Invest 200 in yourself and learn. Yeah, man. To be fair, you can learn everything on YouTube anyway. Just free. Guys, we've got 1,241 eyes on us. And a lot of you have not followed. So if you hit the follow button, that'd be great. And then join us, trading, talk in the chat as well. I know we have... Thank you very much, Michael Harrison. Thank you very much for following. Thank you very much, Lil Wildlife. Thank you very much for... Lil Wildlife, you're asking questions. You wasn't even following. You follow, brother. I'm an intermediate trader. I've just never dealt with a prop firm. Okay. Yeah, you could get prop firms and then see if you can get any demos. FTMO lets you do a demo trial with them. If you log into demo, that let you do FTMO. Yeah, it lets you do a demo on FTMO, sorry. Michael Harrison, how long have you been trading? Roughly about 3 years now. Mahad, did you start your learn site, bro? What do you mean, Mahad? Did you start your learn site, bro? Did I start my website, are you trying to say? You know, I would have liked this trade, but this trade actually didn't break me structure to the downside. So I would have liked if this came into this area and then just continued dumping from here. I would have loved that. Yeah, bro. I'm still Lanko's still in the longs. Website, bro. Yeah. Mahad, do you know the thing is, yeah, because there's so much free information on YouTube, I decided that I'm just going to stick to my mentorship for more of kind of like traders that have leveled up a little bit. So it's easier for me to teach rather than teach right from the basics. So the basics would be best to get free information from YouTube. Free information from YouTube, bro. Sorry, Mahad. Just I have to put so much time and effort in. Thank you very much, user, for following. Thank you. Michael Harrison, do you think it will retest 4595? Let's have a look. Where is 4595? 45. Yeah, I don't think you're looking at the same. I don't think you're on the same as me. I'm on NQ Nasdaq. What are you on, Michael Harrison? You're on gold. Yeah. This ain't gold, it says. Guys, look, imagine if this trade plays out. I never actually took this trade, but imagine if it fucking played out. I'll be so annoyed. I'll be like, you little bastard. It's alright, mate. Michael, that's fine. Any of you guys placed it? Wow, back to 40 people again. Okay. Guys, any of you placed any trades? Price is very choppy. Very choppy. So had price now pushed down here, I would have probably just... No, that would have been too early. These are the kind of trades you might have to let it hit your stop. Or you can bring it into break even if you're that scared anyway. Have a look what was going on here. 42 people, 45 people. Wow, it's going up. Are all 45 of you trading? The south of me, and we're back. The sounds of me, sorry. The sounds of me, and we're back. The sounds of me, how you doing, brother? The sounds of me loads up and comes on, and then he brings an influx of people and volume to my session. I mean, now I've got about 45 people right on the live, trading live right now. We got 1,319 eyes on us. What's going on, guys? Why? Thank you very much for following, Luke. Me Gucci, he says. Yes, good. Hopefully my NY session brings some volume. Hate this sideways bollocks. Trust me, bro. I would have got broken even here. I wouldn't have waited in that trade. I would have got broken even here. Thank you very much for following. El Mito, thank you very much. Yeah, man. It's too much sideways price action. So, Lanko, you're in buys, ain't you? So, you want price to push up in the New York session. I actually don't want to leave without taking a trade. I want to be involved in the markets, but sometimes is that the right thing to fucking do? I don't know, man. I don't know. We've got 50 of us now. Come on, man. This is pushing. Everyone hit the share button. Let's get this live going then. Yeah, I'm in the long looking for liquidity at all-time highs. Let's have a look where you're looking. Yeah, my trade wouldn't have worked out this time. If it dumps from here, it would have. But if it doesn't and continues going up, then my trade would have stopped me out. Break even. Tweezy's in a long as well. Tweezy, you've been in a long since early London session. Or was it Asian session? Asian. Oh, yes, you did say Asian low, innit? Yeah, that was fucking crazy, bro. I don't know how you catch all these bottoms and tops. I still wait for a bit of confluence before I get into a trade. By the time I go up for London session, I'd already missed my trade. I'm in on GB USD for a buy, but I think it's going to reverse. Are you on Forex subs? You trading Forex, brother? Wow. Yep, Forex. Are you on a CFD prop fam? Thank you very much for following, Anderson. Are you on Oh, you want a CFD prop firm, or are you trading your personal account? Going up right now. Yes, yes, probably is. Twizzy, I'm not going to lie. Forex kind of crazy in this environment. I like to take long moves. Most of my trades are 8 to 14 hour. 8 to 14 hours. So you come into like a swing trader. Alpha Capital, bro. Yeah, they're good, man. Alpha Capital Group. You ever trade on their futures accounts? Alpha Capital Futures, Alpha Futures. All right, let's have a look what it's going to do. Where was my stop loss? Would I have got stopped out if I was in the trade? I would have got stopped out. Yeah. To be fair, the candle wicks are quite big. You still need Nah, not yet. Different is futures from Forex. Yeah, it's totally different. It's not different as in trading's different. It's just the volatility will be different. Movement in price will be different, but still pretty much the same. The trading futures, like the styles and the rules and everything like that, are just slightly bending and slightly a bit different, but other than that, it's pretty much the same. It's just that on futures, they don't charge you spreads and commissions and fees. The commissions are already included in what you're trading, but there's no spreads. So like, you know, on CFDs or brokers, as soon as you enter a trade, sometimes you automatically be in drawdown. So you see the trade and you're like, oh, minus $200-300 already, and it's like, what the fuck? That don't happen with futures if you're trading stocks and stuff. They'll give you the price exactly from where you're entering your trade. Subsky, you can trade NQ1, ES and YM as well on Alpha Capital. Yes, you can. You can. German 40. Don't forget German 40. That one. Thank you very much for following. Trade Catalyst MG. Don't forget German 40, guys. German 40, if you're trading the CFD space, on futures, I can never manage to find anyone letting me trade German 40. But if you're private capital in the CFD space, German 40 is the one to look out for, because that one actually moves absolutely beautifully. Lanko, bro, what is actually happening? What is this choppy trash? Trust me, Lanko, I fucking hate it. Jay, have you entered a trade? Are you still looking at this fucking trashy markets? I always say, don't, Jay, nah, bro, sitting, haha. Everybody's sitting, man. Everybody, they're either sitting in a trade, waiting for fucking price to do something, or not entering. I'm not entering. Yeah, bullish price action. Price is overall bullish. Possibly can reverse because of price action. Let's have a look. Let's go on to the, let's just go on to the 30 minute, 1 second, and the 1 hour. Let's go on to the 1 hour. Guys, yeah, look. This was today. This is your London session today. Let's just mark it in blue. Oh no, you can't really see that blue. Let's mark it in dark purple. Yeah, this is your London session today. Just this area here. This was your London session yesterday. And the day before that. Thank you very much for following. Fire, Cray, and Oda. And then this was your London session day before and day before. Look how big they were. And compared to today, it's just this little area here. So price action for me is fucking absolutely fucking shit. He said bullshit. Sorry. Yeah, overall we are bullish as well, but it is bullshit. I didn't read that. Sorry, I missed that. Twizzy, will there be better liquidity is more accessible? There will be. The better liquidity is more accessible, yeah. What do you prefer, futures or Forex? Right now, brother, I'm preferring futures. I'm loving futures. just the simple fact that we can fucking copy trade. CFD prop firms penalize you on blow your accounts and stuff, and then don't give you payouts if they find out you've copy traded on certain platforms and the rest of it. Whereas futures, they can let you fucking copy trade. Look, I use this trade sinker, yeah. Let me see if I can load it up. Fuck that. Let me just give you a blank page of it. 1 second. Yeah, so have you ever used this software here? So you can connect all your futures brokers here. Depending on what subscription you got with them, you can trade 10 accounts per connection, which is crazy. So if you copy trade and make, so it's like Apex, yeah. You can trade 20 Apex accounts in one go. You can add all 20 on there. I don't know if Tradeovate lets you, or Tradeovate only lets you do 5 at a time, but I'm not sure how it works with Tradeovate. But if you go on this trade sinker and you can add up to 20 trades, 20 prop firms or 20 connections, and if you make $300 or $500 on one and copy trade that against 20, yo, you fucking just killed it, bro. But it's up to you to pass all those fucking 20 accounts first. And then, to be fair, you can copy trade and pass all 20 in one go as well. I miss my Apex 300k accounts. Yeah, that's crazy. What are they now? Are they 25, 50 and 150 now? Apex accounts. Do you know what Apex have started to do, bro? Look, my analysis may have been right from here, you know, if it's going to continue going down. Should have used less size and then just entered the trade and then just hoped it's going down. Let me just log in 1 second, guys. Yeah, because I've never really used Apex, but I've noticed now on Apex, because I am going to start using accounts with them. So just say I went to Tradeovate, and just say I went on to 50k, or you could even do 25k. You get two types of accounts now. You get end of day trailing drawdown, and you get end of day trailing drawdown, and then you get your intraday trailing drawdown as well. So you can choose if you want end of day trading drawdown or the other one. But look at this, yeah, 50k Tradeovate end of day trailing accounts. So 50k account, it's saying it's $450 for 1 month. What the fuck? Then you get discount with the coupon may reduce price as low as $45. So you can be picking these up for about $45, yeah. Then you can, if you go on the bottom of that and you select this option here, instead of buying one account, then going through the process, one account, entering it 5-10 different times, you can just buy 5 packs in a go. And 5 packs cost you $195 with the discount coupon. $195 for a fucking Tradeovate account. But I'm not sure if that includes the activation fee or not. I'm not sure, but they have subscriptions as well now that are intraday trailing drawdown that you don't have to pay activation fee on as well. Price action is so shitty today. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I had a feeling this may start slightly creeping down, but then you don't know if it's going to start pushing up. Avil, thank you very much for following. Guys, we still got fucking 50 of us online right now watching. And we've had 1,600 eyes on us. The last week, Thursday, was killer. Fireworks should begin tomorrow, I reckon. Yeah, hopefully. I've had enough of sitting on my hands. To be fair, we got back in the 25k challenge. We're funded again now. Yeah. So now, the reason you've not seen me take a proper trade right now is, one, I'm on an actual funded account. So anything I go for needs to be a fucking A++ trade. Otherwise, I'm not fucking going for it. This, for me, was an A++ trade. This one right here. But I came on at 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock was around about this time. So I missed that trade. To be fair, I did call this out. This would have been another A++. But I don't know. Guys, there's about 50 of us here right now, yeah? Come on, join in the chat. Anyway, what I was gonna say, who journals here? Who uses a journal to trade? Like, who journals all their trades? Yeah, I would have definitely been fucking broken even. Lanko, thank you very much for following. Who actually journals every single trade they take? I journal all trades. Lanko, where do you journal all your trades? Like, what system do you use? Journal app. Okay. Do you use TradeZilla or anything like that? Can upload screenshots easy. Okay. Because I know a lot of people use TradeZilla. Now I don't use a trading journal, just a normal journal. Okay. I don't know what price action is doing right now. So yeah, guys, I was just going to say, if any of you guys are journaling and you don't have a proper journal, you can actually go into the link in my bio. A lot of people use Notion. Yes, that's right. I've actually created my own one on Notion that I share out for free subs. I'll show it to you guys now. So if you just click on the link in my bio, it'll take you to this page. You'll get this page here. Then obviously, look, you got your Alpha Futures discounts. Get a plugin as well, innit? Alpha Futures discount, Funding Pips discount, TradeZilla 20% discount. But then I've got my free trading journal template here. You can have a little bit of a free market structure masterclass. It's only a short video, nothing special. But if you want to learn a bit of market structure, you can do that here free. I've got free trading journal here. So if you click on free trading journal, it's a Notion template. So at the top right hand side, you could just duplicate the template. Yeah, just click on duplicate the template and then it should download it for you. It won't download it, it'll take you to Notion. Then you have to download Notion. But the template, I'll just give you a quick idea what it looks like. Cool little 420 off that push. Well done, bro. Well done. Price has started to get a bit of volume. Let's have a look in the next few minutes what happens. Yeah, this is a journal. So you can duplicate it. Then once you get it, it looks like this. So you can work through it sideways like that. Or you can click on open here. And then, oh no, let's not do that. 1 second. Let's start it from fresh. Just click on new page here. So it opens up a blank new page at the bottom. Then you can click on open like that. And then it opens up here. Like that. So you put the date in. So today's date. I'm playing Street Fighter 6 while waiting for price action to move. Yeah, so like, you can put your date in. Then you can put in there, is it a playbook? Was it a playbook entry? Yes or no? What was the status of your trading today? Was it green, red, or no trades? We lost one, you can say. So red day. Was it no, your setup? What type of setup was it? And then you can put your setup in. There's got a couple in there that you can just choose from, or you can right click, edit property, and then you can add your own setup in. So you can say, okay, if it's a fair value gap or fundamentals trade or whatever, you could just add in setup. So we could just say it was a liquidity sweep one for FEG model. Was there a gap in the market? Yes, there was a gap, no gap, bearish, whatever. Then once you go through this, put your P&L in and everything, you get to the questions at the bottom for psychology. So then it says, were you calm when you took the trade? Yes or no? And then you write about it. and then where you're revenge trading, where you're nervous, where you fear of missing out, and then mistakes and fixes. So you put your mistakes and fixes, what you can do for next time, and then you can upload your screenshot of your trade at the bottom, and then boom, save, and then it saves. And then that's a free journal for you guys. So if anyone wants a free journal, the link is in the bio. Anyone gonna take a buy from around about here? Or is this still the sideways fucking price action? Anyone looking to take a buy from that area? What would it look like for me? That would be risking too much. You drop down. No, drop down less. Maybe. Maybe. Lanko subs. Laugh cry. I'm just getting sick and tired of this price action. It's almost like I just feel like forcing an entry. But David Harper, how you doing, brother? Let's see. Price is moving. Go down to the 5 minute. Yeah, it's just too much sideways price action. Thank you very much for following, Sinclair. Thank you very much. Okay, let's just try. Let's just see what happens in this area. Maybe I shouldn't be entering in the trade here. See, I would have entered if price came right down to here, but I don't want price to come here after it's done this, because then I don't like the way price action is moving. Come on, you cunts. You could have given us a deeper retracement. Cancel that trade. That's the only problem about waiting for price, because sometimes it just shoots off without you. But if it's doing this weird shit, then yeah, that's definitely not a trade for me. Fuck man, today's been a shit day. That is it just gonna push down the, oh my god, what the fuck is it? See, see if this candle here just continued down I would have been in my trade, because we would have known, okay, price action's moving smoothly. As soon as this candle did this, I knew I'm coming out of that trade. I'm not even gonna entertain it, because I didn't know. That would have stopped me out easily. Everyone's like just motivated for a trade. I think if I don't fucking see nothing now in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna go and watch Nemesis. Eyes on oil. You looking on oil? Yeah, let's have a look. Ooh. Oh shit, man. Oil actually did the deeper retracement that I look for. Look at that. Nicely in the 61.8% area. Tapped into this fair value gap towards on the left. And that would have been a nice... That could have been a 1 to 2 trade actually. Fucking price is really good on oil right now, you know, because the contract sizes have to be very low to put in a smaller trade. So like this is like 4 micros right now, risking about $300. So just that one trade, that would have been $1,280 just from there to there. Fucking hell. Jay, did you get a trade? Did you catch that? Did you catch a trade here or? Nah, I never normally trade it, only watch it. Okay. So you only watch oil and then you trade what, NQ and ES and all that? Right, my camera battery's done. Okay, normally try translate that move onto NQ SPX. Yeah, because usually price, whatever oil does, the price on NQ does the opposite usually, doesn't it? But only since the war. Right, guys, my camera's actually, battery's exhausted and I've not caught a trade today, so I'm gonna trade New York session later, but I'll trade that by myself. Some lonely, peaceful time. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Happy trading. Yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if you're on tomorrow. If not, I'll be on live anyway. So catch you guys all later. See you later, Jay. See you later, Leroy. See you later, day traders, subs, and all the rest of you guys. See you later. M. Mahad. Constance is a Bogda. Catch you later. Leroy, see you guys later. Take care, guys. Bye.